guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing a little package from Urban Decay. So if you would like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. So Urban Decay was kind enough to send over 6 of their new 24/7 Glide On eye pencils, and these are all new nude shades. And on the outside of the box here, it shows some tips and tricks on how to get some eye looks using the new nude 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, look at each pencil, swatch each one, and then we will do a makeup look using some of them. These 24/7 Glide On eye pencils have all day wear. They are smudge proof, transfer proof, as well as sweat proof. They have a smooth glide on application, and they come in soft neutral shades that are ultra blendable. There's no tugging or pulling on the eye. These just glide on with ease and give you that all day wear. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here are the 6 new shades, and Urban Decay was kind enough to also send over a sharpener as well. So here we have the first shade. This is called Caffeinated, and it is a beautiful cool toned brown. I'm just going to do a little swatch here on the back of my hand. And you guys, these are like butter. They just glide on with ease. So, so beautiful. Next, we have the shade Tootsie. And this is a beautiful chocolate brown. Next, we have the shade Cool Coyote, and you guys, I love this shade so, so much. It is kind of a cool toned gray brown. It is so beautiful. This is so easy to create a gorgeous cool toned smoky eye. Next, we have the shade Beige Flag. And Beige Flag looks a little something like that. I do have this one in my waterline today. Next, we have the shade Faux Dough. And this is a gorgeous little shimmer shade. And last but not least, we've got the shade Hemp Milk. These are just absolutely beautiful and will elevate your waterline area as well as the rest of the eye as well. And then here is our Urban Decay pencil sharpener. It says UD Grind House. There's a slot for bigger pencils as well as these 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. And then there is the sharpener, and it also comes with a little tool to clean the sharpener out. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using some of the new Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencils. Okay, so first I'm taking that shade Tootsie, and I am just kind of creating a wing on the outer corner of my eye. And then we're gonna go in with an angled brush and just kind of wing that out a bit and just kind of smudge it out. I am gonna go ahead and take this all the way around the eye on that lash line area, getting it as close as I can to those lashes. Now we're going in with the shade Cool Coyote, and I am just going to kind of place this above this liner, and we're just gonna kind of blend this out. I'm actually going to do this with a brush. Now, these products obviously work great by themselves on their own to create an eye look, but I have a photo shoot today, so I just want a little bit more happening on my eyes. So I'm just going to go in with my Dominique Cosmetics Essential Palette. And there is a shade in here called Mi Amo, which is like a kind of a cool tone mauve shade. I'm going to mix that a little bit with Compassion. And I'm just going to apply these right up above those liners that we put down. Now, just to kind of deepen up that outer corner a little bit more, I'm going to go in with Fearless, which is the black in that palette, as well as Ti Amo. Mixing those two together. And just going to apply that right into the outer corner of this eye here. And I will go back in and make that brown liner a little bit more prominent since we have lost it just a pad. And since we don't have a darker shade than Tootsie, that's why I wanted to use my Dominique palette. But that Cool Coyote that we put down is really just the perfect base and lets everything blend seamlessly. Right, very, very pretty. Now I'm going to go back in with Tootsie and just go over that liner just to kind of make it more prominent. Taking Kiss My Retro and Trash Panda by Hank and Henry. And we are just going to apply a little bit of shimmery glitter to this eye just to give it some glitz. You guys, my swatch video on these is up now. These are absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Perversion Bigger Blacker Batter Mascara from Urban Decay. So before we do our bottom lashes, I almost forgot to do our waterline. So we are going to go in with Beige Flag, and this one is going to go right into our waterline area here. And then right into my inner corner, we are putting Faux Dough. Just for a little shimmery goodness right there in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go back in with Tootsie, and we are just going to make a small little line right there underneath that eyeliner. And I am just going to smoke that out a bit. And then to finish off this look, I'm taking that same Urban Decay mascara and just gonna do my lower lashes. And this is the final look. I am so in love with these. They are so easy to work with and just really elevate not only the eye, but that waterline area. I just want to say a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me these 24/7 Glide On eye pencils to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.